Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can create custom automations in Docs. Here we have a list of documents. Let's open this document. Here's our document. To create a custom automation, click on Automations at the top. This is where we can build custom automations. We'll build a simple automation that notifies us by email as soon as the document is published. To do that, we first need to select a trigger. Click on Add Trigger. From the options, we'll choose Doc Published. This is our trigger. Now let's close this pop-up. Next, we need to select an action. Click on the plus button. We then need to assign an action. Click on Action and choose an action. We want to receive an email, so we'll click on Gmail. And here's the action Send Email. Let's select this. You'll need to connect your email if it's not connected. Once connected, enter the email where you want to receive the notification. You can also add CC and BCC. Enter the subject. Add message. We can also include the document name. Our action is now ready. We can close this pop-up. Now we need to give our automation a name. Click here and enter a name for this automation. Then hit Save. Our automation is now created. Currently, it's inactive. So let's click on this toggle to activate it. Now it's active. Let's close this pop-up. Now let's publish this document by clicking on Publish. The document is now published. Let's check our email. We have received an email, Doc Published. Let's open it and we can see Doc Published and the document title. To manage the automation, click on Automations again. Click on Manage. From here, you can click on the three dots to edit, archive, duplicate, or delete the automation. You can also check how many times the automation was triggered. Go to the Runs section, and we can see it was triggered once when we published the document. And that's how you can create custom automations in documents. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.